गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. सो आज आहे शनिवारची सकाळ आणि आज आपण करणार आहोत गार्डनिंग. सो टुडे माय प्लॅन इज टू डू सम गार्डनिंग. आय एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ट्रान्सप्लांट वन ऑफ माय plant to new bucket so that it can grow and it can have a space for his root. So this is my small garden. I have plenty of plants which I can show you. So this is one of my favorite plant is a jackfruit. So this plant I have grown from the seed itself, 3 years back. So I just brought the jackfruit seed and I planted that in a small piece of bucket, and then I grow and gradually I retransplant it into a bigger bucket similar to right now you can see. So it has been grown up like my height itself, like more than like 5 feet, 6 feet now. So this is it, guys. So I am also trying to transplant my another plant to a similar bucket so that that plant also can grow similar to like this. So this is the another plant which I have. This is a curry leaves, you call is a kadi patta in Marathi. So this plant also I have grown from the seed itself. So there was a tree in the area which I was living by then. Like this plant is older than like more than 4 years now. So I just brought the cherry which is grown on the curry leaf plant when it is maturely grown enough, and then I extracted the seed from those cherries and I planted this plant. So this is basically more than one plant, but it is difficult to separate it out from each other now. So I am going to plant this whole plant in one bucket itself. So this kind of bucket I am going to use today. So I have one bucket. This is basically not a bucket. This is a water storage. Before I plant this, I need to cut this area so that I can put the soil in it and I can retransplant this into this bucket. So I will need a soil and a saw cutter to cut this into the similar shape which is the jackfruit plant is having. So stay tuned for it. So finally now I'll go to collect some soil for it, and then we will plant this curry leaf plant into this jar. So let us go. So before I put the soil in this jar, I have made 4 holes at the side of this jar and one at the center, so that it can drain out the excess waters from this jar when we plant our tree in this. So before I put soil in it, I need to put some stones like this so that so before I put some soil in my bucket, I need to put some stone so that the water drainage and the root should have some hold for the water resources
when I put some water in this jar. Okay, so let us fill this bottom line with the stones. Okay, so this much stones are enough. So let us collect our soil before someone just object us from taking the soil. So we are done with collecting the required soil. So let us head back to home now.
So here it is, we have got our soil, and before I transplant that into this, I need to make this soil loose. So this is hard enough. So before I transplant that into the jar, I need to loosen up the soil little bit, and then I will proceed with. So let me mash it up, and I will get back to you. So I've removed the soil from the bucket, and this much space I believe is enough to transplant this much of soil. I will remove some of the soil from the bottom and then place this plant into the new bucket. So to perform that, I need to cut this old bucket. So only option is left with me is to cut this with the blade. So stay tuned for it. Let me finish the transplantation work, and let us see how does it goes. So guys, transplantation done for this curry leaf plant. I have been watering it so that the root will not be exposed to the extreme heat. Currently it is 12 o'clock, so I will keep this in the shadow for a while and see how it progress over the period, and keep it under observation. So this is it guys. If you like this short and simple vlog, then please hit the like button and let me know what is your opinion in the comment box if you have any. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.